I'm going to show you how you can use One4All gift cards on store. Now, if you have a physical One4All gift card, they work just like a debit card or like a credit card. All you have to do if you want to use it on a store, you have to scratch off the pack so you can reveal the CVV, and you can also just use it as a normal credit card or a debit card, right? Now, if you go here, you can see if you want to spend it on store, first off, you have to make sure that it's a One4All retail partner, right? So if it's not a One4All retail partner, it won't work. The second thing, you need to make sure that if you swipe your card, it has more value on the balance of the card, right? Because if your value is not enough, then it'll just fail, right? So you need a One4All retail partner, and then you need to swipe the card into the retail partner, right? Now, you can see this is the list of retail partner here, right? There's a couple here, like there's a restaurant, fashion, kids, teens, active, student, home garden, beauty and spa, gamers, and entertainment. You can see a couple of brands there, like IKEA, and then on restaurant there's Pizza Hut, on fashions there's H&M, on kids there's Flu, and on teen there's H&M as well. There's a couple here like Lush, Claire's, things like that. So it has a pretty big selection here. There's more as well that's probably not listed here. So just use it like a normal credit card or a debit card.